How to set up Samsung Smart TV for first time, easy step-by-step guide, 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've just brought home a brand new Samsung Smart TV and you're wondering how to get it up and running, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the complete setup process in 7 simple points. Whether it's a 2025 or 2026 model, this guide works for most Samsung Tizen Smart TVs. By the end of this video, your TV will be connected, updated, and ready for streaming Netflix, YouTube, and more. Let's dive in, grab your remote and let's start. Point 1. Unboxing and stand installation. First point, unboxing and installing the stand safely. Place the TV box on a large flat surface. Open the box carefully and remove the quick setup guide. It's your best friend. You'll find the stand legs or base, screws, remote, and power cable. Lay the TV face down on a soft blanket to protect the screen. Attach the stand according to the guide, usually just a few screws. Tighten them firmly but don't over-tighten. Tip: if you're wall mounting, skip the stand and use a compatible VESA mount. Always have 2 people for larger TVs to avoid accidents. Once the stand is on, move the TV to its final position. Point 2. Connecting power and external devices. Point number 2. Connect everything before powering on. Plug in the power cord to the TV and a wall outlet. Now connect your devices, HDMI cable from cable box, set-top box, soundbar, gaming console, or Blu-ray player. If your model has a One Connect box, connect that first. Turn on all connected devices. This helps the TV detect them automatically during setup. Pro tip: use high-speed HDMI cables for 4K or HDR content. Point 3. Pairing the Samsung Smart Remote. Point 3. Pair your smart remote. Samsung Smart Remotes usually pair automatically when you turn on the TV. If not, point the remote at the TV sensor, bottom center or right side, and hold the back button and play, pause button together for 3-5 seconds. You'll see a pairing message on screen. The remote is solar-powered or rechargeable on newer models, no batteries needed. Tested by navigating the menu. Point 4. Language, region, and initial welcome screen. Point 4. On-screen initial setup. Power on the TV, you'll see the welcome screen. Select your preferred language, then your country or region. This sets up correct apps and services for your location. Some models let you choose setup via phone or remote. If you have a Samsung phone with the SmartThings app, scan the QR code for super fast setup. It transfers Wi-Fi onto details automatically. Point 5. Connecting to Wi-Fi network. Point 5. Wi-Fi connection. This is crucial for smart features. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the password using the on-screen keyboard, and connect. The TV will test the connection. If it fails, double-check your router is close by or try a wired Ethernet connection if available. Once connected, accept the terms and AMP, conditions and privacy policy. Review them quickly if you want. Point 6. Samsung account login and software updates. Point 6. Sign in with your Samsung account. This unlocks the full Smart Hub, App Store, and personalized recommendations. You can create a new account or sign in. Newer models show a QR code. Scan it with your phone for easy login. After signing in, the TV will check for software updates. Let it download and install. This can take a few minutes. Updates improve performance and add new features. Set a security PIN when prompted for parental controls or purchases. Point 7. installing apps, picture and amp, sound settings, and final tips. Final point 7. Customize your TV. Open the Smart Hub, go to the App Store, and install your favorite apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and Hotstar if you're in India. Next, go to Settings and GT, Picture and GT, Expert Settings. Choose Movie or Filmmaker mode for accurate colors, or Dynamic for bright rooms. Adjust sound settings, enable adaptive sound or connect a soundbar. Other quick tips. Enable voice assistants, Bixby or others. Set up Samsung TV Plus for free channels. And turn on auto power off for energy saving if you face issues like no sound or apps not loading. Restart the TV or check for updates again. Your Samsung Smart TV is now fully set up and ready to enjoy. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Drop a comment below with your TV model and any questions. I'll try to reply. See you in the next video. Happy streaming!